this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card with the Forever and Always bundle. So the Forever and Always bundle is a part of the, sorry I forgot the name of the suite, but I have it right here. The Love You Always suite on page 10 of the catalog, and it's got two bundles in the suite. It's got the Always in My Heart bundle and this Forever and Always bundle, and it's got this gorgeous foil sheets along with these really fun treat boxes, this gorgeous ribbon, these fun heart embellishments, as well as these black matte dots and this gorgeous paper, metallic paper, and then this True Love Designer Series paper, which I'm going to be highlighting in this card today. And then this is the Forever and Always bundle. This is a really pretty bundle. I love the flowers in the bundle, and I really love the layered words. Those are my favorite. So here's the stamp set and the dies. So we have these layered words, and then we have all these other words that go with them, and there's some dies, different size to cut those out as well. And then we have the flowers and dies to cut those out, as well as leaves and a little bud as well. And so little flowers too. So really nice bundle. But I'm going to highlight the paper because the paper is amazing. So here's my little paper sample here. And so you've got this black and white paper that you can color with the blends. And then you've got fun patterns on the other side. And then here's the polka dot pattern that I'm using. And then I love this one right here. And this is the page that I cut all the flowers out of and that I'm using in a couple of my cards and the next couple of my videos today. So here's another pattern and more patterns. So this card is really easy to put together because I've got everything cut out. So here's my True Love Designer Series paper, and I'm just going to attach that to some basic black. And then I've cut out this flower out of the Designer Series paper, this pair of flowers. And I'm going to layer the love onto this little background, and I've used the adhesive sheets, so it's really easy to stick it on. I just peel off the back and then make sure I get this little piece off, and then I just stick it right on there. So I remembered to use the adhesive sheets finally. So I'm gonna start, I have them out right next to my Big Boss cutting machine, and so that I will remember to use them for all of my little detailed dies that I'm using, because they are awesome, and then I don't have to worry about trying to glue these on, and look how perfect that is. And then I have this little label that I cut out with the floating labels dies. And now I'm going to pop all of this up on dimensionals. And there we have our simple love you card with the forever and always bundle. I'm offering a free card kit with this bundle, which consists of 6 cards of these 3 designs when you place a $30 order or when you purchase this bundle. You can get this card kit for free. Just go to my website and use this January hostess code and send me an email and let me know that you would like the Forever and Always card kit, and I will get that right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.